I'll get there, but it's you no point in doing. You've got to do it properly.
You could have them out in the
Dog
washing.
Oh, at that.
The long one. Long.
Where the dog yard is, that would be good because it's got you could if you fed. But I need that for other things. Oh, I do have plans, but whether I can make it work and whether it's affordable. I mean, sort of sustainable. And I actually do have a real problem with wanting to make something. I don't want to make something that actually is kind of sustainable, as in it is literally sustainable, but also.
You've got to be careful that you don't create too much work for yourself.
You would, yes, but you want to create. If you can create slightly bigger, you then can employ somebody else.
Yes, it's a balance.
It's a balance, and that's if my
that's
summer.
true.
I said I was going to employ somebody else this summer, if my numbers went up, but they're not going up. So
Yes, that's the thing, isn't it? Yes, yeah. Very important that you have to do things that there's enough so that you don't have to do everything.